Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook topics. And in today's video, I will show you now how to find and reconnect Facebook pages that you unfollow on your Facebook account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Click on content preferences. Click on reconnect. So here we go. You have access back to all pages that you have unfollowed on Facebook so far. For you to follow them back, all you have to do is to simply tap on follow right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.